Ain't no test, who gon' get jealous when yo.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy MD, man. Hey, back with another video, man. Back with another banger, man. Hey, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, browse, share, man. Share this video, all that good stuff, man. Hey, I got a lot of good content, a lot of audio content, man. I'm trying to keep banging out this content for y'all, man. Yes, sir. We trying to do big things in 2020, man. You know what I'm saying? We trying to do big things in 2020. But hey, today, man, I'm headed to this shop. I met this guy over here by my house, man, and he does decals, man. And man, he do great work. And the previous decals that I got on my car, they kind of don't match my stripes that much. You know what I'm saying? The blue is kind of different. So I found this guy right here, man, and he was able to match my stripes. Man, the guy gave me a great deal. I will be dropping this info in this video, so y'all stay on the lookout for that, because I will be dropping that down in the link. So yeah, man, so y'all ride with me. We finna go pick this up, man, and you know, we're gonna go back and I'm gonna install them and show y'all how I put my decals on. You know what I'm saying? All right, you guys. So here go the ones that's already on the car right here. You know, those is what's on the car. Let me show y'all this one that's on the windshield. Camera, you might can't really tell, but the blues is most definitely different. In the, you know, dark light, man, it almost look spot on, but trust me, they not the same. They not the same. But so this is what we're gonna be installing right here, man. Check this out, man. Got the Scatty Black for the window. Then we got two YouTube names that we got. And then we got the IGs. So yeah, you guys, this is what we're going to be installing today, man. This is the mod we doing. You know what I'm saying? Also going to be giving y'all the mod update list of everything I got installed, man. Make sure y'all go check out my previous videos, man. I got a lot of informational videos on how to do certain things when it comes to these Dodge Chargers, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Keep watching. All right, man. So some of the key essentials, man, you guys gonna need when y'all installing these, man, is you gonna need some type of cleaner, man. So you know, I got this vinyl application solution, but if you got any type of alcohol, or you can mix a little soap water and put your little alcohol in there, man. Get you some painter's tape so you can kind of, you know, measure what you need to measure, and it'll give you a good line mark, man. But most definitely get you some good solution, man. Clean your surface off real good before you get ready to apply your vinyl, guys. But other than that, man, it should be a simple install, man. So I'm gonna start installing these, and I'm gonna get back with you guys here in a minute. Oh, man, there it go. What y'all think, man? Them decals on, man. I want to do something a little different, man. I put the scat on the side, and I put my initials right here on the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? MD scat. Yes, sir. Nothing over here. There go the decals, man. We put the Scatty Black on the windshield. Know what y'all think, man? Let me get back. Let y'all get a whole view of this thing, man. That's what she look like. Ooh. Not too hard, guys. Came out pretty good. Came out pretty good, I'll say. We got some bubbles in there a little bit, but that's kind of normal. You might have a little bubbles. They should evaporate and take themselves out. The Scatty Black right there. And most importantly, man, YouTube banner is installed. Y'all check that out, man. Oh, that look good. That looks good. Also, man, on the wicker bill, we got it on the wicker bill. Y'all can see that thing lighting up blue down there, man. I'm gonna have to give y'all a night video, man. I got a video coming, man. I'm gonna do a video on my LED lights, on what LED lights I'm running. because my car did come with the yellow halogen bulbs. So it's most definitely, man, you guys got to take that out. So let me know what y'all think, man. You know what I'm saying? More content coming. I'm going to jump back in front of the camera, man, and we're going to end the video off. Let's go. YouTube, so hey, man, that concludes today's video, man. Hey, hope y'all like this content. Man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, browse, man. All that good stuff, man. Hey, follow me on IG, man, at Scatty Black. Follow me also at MD_promotions, man. We trying to do big things in 2020, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man. For real talk. But hey, I'm out. I ain't gonna hold y'all up, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, man.
When your fit, stack up, like some lit. Ain't no tip. Who gon' get jet? When your fit, stack up. Ain't no telling who gon' hate on you, bro. If you different, better keep your distance from these niggas listening to your business. Hope the people